lot of people are dying in Pakistan because of the floods that happened, and I think it's our duty, our moral obligation to help them out.
The goal for today is to get the word out and sell as much merchandise as possible so we can help.
Knowing that things ain't right. It's in the papers, it's on the TV, it's everywhere that I go. Children are crying.
What you see around here is donations from a lot of people who actually have given things that we can sell today and raise some money and then donate that money to the people back there.
I was contacted by Sean Sayed, and I wanted to do something to give back, and we kind of joined forces, and here we are today.
We both started talking, and we called some other friends, and we started asking everybody for donations, and decided to do like a fundraising yard sale, you know.
I think that educating people about what's going on over there is really key, since this hasn't gotten as much media as it should have.
For us not to help Pakistan with this horrible catastrophe is just ludicrous. It is inhumane, and we're doing everything we possibly can to help.
With Jackson Allen, a lot of donations, a lot of merchandise has been donated.
I think it's up to us to make sure people know what's going on, to inform people, and then to do something to help, not just to inform, but to try and help them out too in the process.
Marketing-wise, through Facebook, through emails, through a phone list, just on the horn calling people.
People sometimes don't want to get involved in things that don't surround them, and they figure, oh, that's so far, that doesn't affect us, and it does affect us.
I close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and pray, yeah. I close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and pray for the broken.
100% of the proceeds are going to the flood victims in Pakistan.
They're going to need help for a while to reestablish themselves, because a lot of them have lost their homes, their livestock, their farmlands, and they have nothing to go back to.
A lot of families out in Pakistan setting up camps, sending food to families, feminine hygiene for the mothers, dry milk, so they know the regions where people are really hurting.
It is a tragedy. It's going to linger on for a while.
We need people to come and shop.
Someone tell me how to make a change.